Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we've got a quick box opening of my watchgang Black membership watch for December. If you're not familiar with watchgang, it's a monthly watch subscription company and you get a new watch every month. They have different tier levels. The only tier level that I still subscribe to is the Black tier, which is the $99 tier level. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing an Aviate Hawker Hurricane. I love a lot of my watches from Aviate, and this one is no different. Also, guys, if you're looking to sign up for watchgang, there is a link below. It gets you some wheel spin points and me some wheel spin points and helps me keep the channel going. And if you're looking to save some money, I've got promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And if you are into old cars, make sure you check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. So it looks like we have a scrambler, which actually I really like the artwork on the outer box there. Let's open this one up and see what we got. JS mccabe. Ooh, let's see here. Get the plastic off. J.A. mccabe? Not one I've heard of before. Or is it J.A.S. mccabe? Belfast, London. Let's go ahead and pull it off the pillow real quick. Take a look at the case back. Oh, I like the design on the case back. Looks like we have an automatic movement in this one for this month, which is always nice. I'll have to do a little bit of research and see what we've got. I like the date window down at the 6 o'clock position. And I like that deep red on the dial on this one. Not too shabby. Let me go ahead and pull off my Aviate really quick. And we'll take a look at this one on my roughly 7-inch wrist. I like the band on this one. Looks like there's plenty of room if you have a larger wrist. And actually, I probably could have gone tighter, which would have put me at one of the last holes on that strap. So there's how this one looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. And that is the JAS, because there's a little S right there. mccabe. Not too shabby. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.